What is up, guys? Today we're taking a look at this Toyota Tacoma. This is a 2018. I know we're here in 2021. These things are just flying off the lots. It's impossible to get a hold of a 2021, but the 2018 is very, very similar. Same generation. There are a couple of differences I'll talk about here, but for the most part it's pretty similar. The Tacoma comes in all kinds of different trims and configurations and flavors. This flavor is orange, obviously. No, I'm just kidding. It's taco flavored. This is the Off-Road, the TRD Off-Road. Now, if you want the manual, you're going to have to get one that says TRD. That's Toyota Racing Division, and those trims are the only ones that come with a manual. There's also a 4x4 and a 4x2 option, but the 4x4 is the only way you get the manual, and there is a 4-cylinder and a 6-cylinder, but the only way you get the manual is with the 6-cylinder. So we're going to focus on this one here. Now, if you want a manual truck at all that's new, you're looking at Tacomas, and you're looking at the Wrangler with a truck bed on it, aka the Gladiator. Now, the Tacomas are one of the highest resale sale vehicles, if not the highest on the market, and we're here still in this time of crazy high pricing. We're looking at just under $40,000 for this 2018 model here. Right here in the bed. Now, if you want the off-road, the TRD off-road, and you want the manual, you're looking at the 5-foot bed with the double cab here. If you get the TRD Pro or the TRD-Sport, you can actually get the 6-foot bed with the access cab. There's mat. Got some compartments here. Apparently put your bait. Got some tie downs up over there, which is nice. Another little compartment, and got a power outlet here that you can run when the truck is on. Tie down over here. On 16-inch wheels here, and because it is the off-road, you get the off-road suspension and the Bilstein shocks, and we're looking at 9.4 inches of ground clearance. And the off-road also gives you the electronic blocking rear differential, which is nice, and some special badging and colors. This Inferno color, not a standard color. You've got the Class 4 trailer hitch here, 6,700 pounds when you're in 2-wheel drive mode, 6,400 pounds when you're in 4x4 mode. Maximum payload 1,540 pounds. The V6 I mentioned, got the badge there. This one is not hydraulic, you got the stand here for it. It's covered up with plastic, obviously, plastic protector there. But there's your V6 engine, 3.5 liter V6. You get 278 horsepower, it's up at 6,000 RPM, 265 pound-feet of torque, with peak at 4,600 RPM. With this engine, you're looking at 18 miles per gallon city and 22 highway. Got this nice aggressive looking grill here. Your fog lights, which is always good. You do get the turn signals on the mirrors, which is nice. In 2018 they updated the Tacoma so that all standard Toyota safety features across the board. Got this regular key here. Nothing fancy, gets the job done. Got the clutch start cancel. Got your standard stuff here for controlling the infotainment and your dash and your digital gauge cluster. You'll notice here we've got the front sensing camera on the lane keep assist, lane keep warning. Again, the safety features across the board is new to 2018. You're in two-wheel drive mode here with your 4H and 4L options. Very nice. This soft fabric going on here. Glove compartment, these nice leather seats. Manual handbrake, always appreciated. Do have a cigarette lighter down there. Cup holder in the back. Let's actually check out the back seat here. So we are in the double cab. Now, this is not too bad. You know, with the access cab, I could see maybe it's a little bit tighter because you get the extra foot behind you in the bed. So losing a foot back here would be a little bit tight, but this is pretty good here. I'm at 5'7" with the seat set for me. Headroom, not too bad. Cup holders back here, like I mentioned. More cup holders down there. And these seats do fold down, which is nice. The 40-60 split. Got your child latches there. One big difference for 2021 is you get the power seats. These are manual adjustable seat. 2018. Let's go ahead and start it up. Regular key. You got this nerfed shift knob here. The infotainment is also updated for 2021. You get the updated screen, the updated. You get Android Auto, Apple CarPlay in the new one. This one has Bluetooth. Heated seats, which is nice. USB and your aux there. 12 volt. This is the window. Moonroof in this one. Blind spot monitoring. Parking. Got your digital setup here. All kinds of menus. Radio, cruise control, and lane departure warning. Any warnings you got going on, your settings for your safety system, pre-collision system, lane departure. There you go. Got your nice big speedometer there, your tach over there, your oil temperature, and your warning lights. You know, overall, it's not too bad in here. These seats are stiff. They're bolstered pretty well. I'm not a real big guy, but I think they feel pretty nice. I don't know if I'd want to road trip this thing, but it feels pretty good. Cell phone goes down there. Alright, let's go for a little drive. Now, we're not going to take this thing off-road. This is not my car. This belongs here at Middletown Toyota here in Middletown, Connecticut. they've still got to sell this thing. I'm not taking it off-road, but we'll see how it goes on the road. You know, because if you're buying a truck like this, chances are you're probably also going to daily it. It's not just a work truck. You know, it might be, but let's see how it does on the road. Got this nice tight shifter. It's very notchy here. Very nice track to figure out where you are. It's got a very long throw. I mean, we are in a truck. It's kind of expected. Reverse all the way over here. You get it beeping at you. Get the display here for your backup cam. The Nerf is it's fine. It's not really anything to write home about, but again, it's a work truck. It's a mid-sized truck. Let's take this thing out. We're in two-wheel drive mode here, and first gear is real nice and slow. The clutch is nice. It's on the heavy side. It is a truck, so it's expected. But it's got a good feel to it. Bite point all the way at the top. First gear is, whoa, man. There we go, we pick up a little bit in second. Now I'm used to tiny little GTI. I'm not used to sitting up quite this high. But it's nice that it's tall and narrow. It is a mid-size truck. Even though mid-size has gotten gigantic at this point, mid-size truck now is about the size a full truck used to be, full-size truck used to be. But it is tall and narrow, so I don't feel like, you know, I'm falling out of the lanes coming from a small car, which is definitely nice. Steering is light. It's responsive, but it's light. Brake pedal's nice and heavy. It stops well. Oh, that torque is up so high. It's hard to get moving. The peak torque, I mean, obviously. Once you get going, you got the momentum though. Momentum's a hell of a thing. Nice, big and heavy. Getting up to speed. On a smooth road, feeling the bumps. It's absorbing them well though. The steering is light, like I said. You don't get a lot of feedback from the wheels, but point and shoot works out well. I think this one has the upgraded JBL sound system. Sounds pretty good. No complaints. Hang out in second gear here. Yeah, that first gear is so low. No problems just staying in second. Because they're gonna think I make it a goal to sit in traffic on every video. Look at this, you even got the GoPro hookup up there in the off-road. Visibility is not too bad all around. Nice big side mirrors. See how the rev hang is. Not too bad. Heard some people complain about it, but it's not so bad. There we go, there's some bumps, some light off-road. That's not too bad. It handles them well. It's not like it's slamming the bumps straight through your back, but you're definitely bouncing around a little bit here. So there you have it. 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. Solid truck. For sure, if you need a truck in your life, you want a manual, no complaints here. If you need back seats, get the double cab. If you want something a little cushier, I believe the TRD Pro will give you a little bit more of a daily kind of feel to it. Get some more of the creature comfort. So this thing has some decent creature comforts to it. It's really not a bad place to be. Now, I will admit, I'm not a big truck person. I haven't driven a lot of trucks. I don't find a need for a truck personally too often. So if you do use a truck for work or you daily a truck, let me know what you want to know. What did I miss? What are the things that you like to know when you're buying a truck. And there you have it. Don't forget to go ahead and hit subscribe if you want weekly car content, mostly manual focused. Give me a shout at jason@manual-cars.com if you guys have anything you want to see, or if you have a car for me here out in central Connecticut. Thanks for watching.